Explorer! Welcome to a new episode on our long way around the world. And we reached the Highlands of Sri Lanka.
So on this episode we show you how we go up to 1,800 meters and we're gonna drink tea.
And we explore the Highlands, maybe hike some national parks, see the sacred city of Kandy.
Then we go to Nuwara Elyia and ELIYA.
Yeah, probably you know already ELIYA, so stay tuned when we get there. I'm sitting in the middle of a tea plantation in the Highlands of Sri Lanka, and I tell you a little bit about the tea. So maybe you know it already, maybe not. All the white, green and black tea is made out of the same leaves, or not exactly the same leaves. White tea is from a different plant and only made from the little baby plants inside here. Green tea is made out of the fresh tea leaves, and the black tea is made out of the same leaves but fermented with oxygen. I think they like the healthy tea as well because they're going up on the plants and eat only the little ones.
Working as a tea farmer. So
New profession?
Yeah, rotating the leaves.
That's what they normally do here?
Yeah, to dry them.
Real saffron we don't produce in Sri Lanka. The best saffron in the world is produced in Iran.
So we buy some spices.
2020.
We have mustard seeds for the dal.
Yeah, pick one. Sri Lanka is famous for its kitchen. That's why we are taking a cooking class.
Yeah, another cooking class. We already did one in Thailand and we're now in Sri Lanka, and they are famous for the curries.
So I don't know if we're gonna prepare only curries, but we heard it's gonna be about 10 different
Vegetarian dishes.
one meat dish.
We've been on the market already and we saw a lot of different vegetables we don't have in Europe and we probably don't find everywhere in the world, but they're so exciting and we're excited what we're gonna have tonight.
Yeah, what we get from Best Kandy Kitchen. Oh, the tea is already arriving, so we have to stop recording.
Coconut is very useful thing in Sri Lanka. Even this part we don't throw. We use this one as a sponge. You done it.
Successful coconut king.
Yeah, I'm
Not
King,
the king
Coconut.
No, not the king coconut, the coconut king.
I get used to it.
Now Daniela is scratching the coconut. After 2, 3, 4, I don't know, 10 hours of cooking. It feels like 10 hours, but we had breakfast 12 hours ago. We're getting really hungry, so we can't wait to taste the 10 dishes we prepared.
It looks so tasty.
Ooh, nice.
It's early morning again.
Good morning.
And we are on the way to the Nine Arch Bridge, the probably most famous place in Sri Lanka.
And we hope to beat the crowd by being super early. But
We try it again.
maybe some Chinese are already there.